Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Flat Bridge. Now we had done a video recently where we said that Flat Bridge needs to be replaced. That's the bridge we're looking at now. That bridge is about 300 years old. Now we weren't saying to demolish or remove Flat Bridge. This bridge is a historic site and it would be very difficult, if not impossible, to demolish it. But we were saying to build a new bridge. Leave Flat Bridge where it is. Now you see that area straight ahead where you see the sign? Build a bridge from this road going straight across the Rio Cobra to the other side of the gorge. We're not saying to interfere with Flat Bridge in any way. But Flat Bridge is, for one, it's a historic site. As we said, very difficult to make any changes to it. Right here, straight ahead, the bridge will just go straight across, leaving Flat Bridge where it is. And two, if they were to demolish Flat Bridge and build a new bridge here, it would hamper the flow of traffic for months, maybe up to a year. And this corridor is way too busy to shut it down for such a long time. So guys, let us know what you think. But this bridge is definitely obsolete now. It's just a matter of time before it falls apart. It's been in use for over 300 years. As we said, it's a single lane bridge. This bridge was built when people rode horses. There were no cars. But it's it's in the Bogwalk Gorge, and it's what you would say a bottleneck when you're traveling to the north coast from Kingston. You have alternative routes, but the highway is a toll road, very expensive. Sligoville is a tedious drive to go over the hill, and the highway is very expensive. So Flat Bridge is used a lot. And we were just saying that it's time that they build a replacement bridge at a different location beside this bridge. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.